Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to create custom stickers from any image on WhatsApp. If you are using WhatsApp and now you want to create custom stickers from an image, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your WhatsApp app and here select the person which you want to send sticker as I have selected. Now select sticker icon and here select create. And here you must have to select the photo or video which you want to create a sticker, as I'm going to select this photo. So just tap on it and here you can see it has been loading and here the sticker has been done. You just have to tap on share. You can also edit the sticker. Just tap on it and here select the photo and then you have different options to edit it. Just select it and you can select different colors. You can write on it or you can enter text or add any other sticker on this sticker. So just tap on send after your editing and here you can see I have successfully created 2 stickers on WhatsApp. So that's how you can also create custom stickers. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.